everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. I have a unboxing today. This is actually for my hubby Ted. So we'll see what he got from Louis Vuitton. Alright, so let's see here. Okay, they have a new Alright, they have a new way of opening their boxes. I don't know if have you guys got anything from Louis Vuitton? Alright. They have a little tab. Looks like that. Alright, let's see here. Alright, here's another one. Okay. Huh. Ah, here we go. Just got to be a little bit stronger than the box. All right. There we go. All right, sorry about that. I'm trying not to cough, so bear with me. All right, we're in. All right, they gave me a shopping bag, so that was nice. Some perfume samples. All right, they gave me more than one. Wow, cool. Okay. And then my husband's refill, and they gave me a calendar, not a calendar, catalog. So that's pretty cool. And the back looks like that. Okay, so I'll be looking forward to reading through all that. All right, that's pretty cool. It says 200, the book. 200. All right. Okay, nothing else. All right, and let's see what the refill looks like here. So they gave them another box, so that was nice. They gave them another ribbon, so that was cool. All right, blue and gold, drawstring, draw box. Oh, and they gave him a dust bag. Wow. Okay, he didn't get a dust bag when he first purchased this. So he got a little dust bag for his perfume. All right, that's pretty cool. Huh? Smells good. All right, and they did touch up the bottle for him at no charge. So let's take a quick look here. Okay, they did touch up the bottle. I don't know if you can see that or not. And let's see here. And that's the top of the bottle, and it's all magnetized. So it just goes on like that. Yeah, so that looks pretty cool. They touched up the EFD, and it's, yeah, you can kind of see it there. It was just like silver, and then they asked if they could gold flake it, so they went ahead and updated that. Alright, so that's pretty cool. The dust bag's pretty cool. His original one didn't come with the dust bag. But he did, but the box is the same box though, so. Alright, so that's pretty cool. So I'll put all that in there so he'll have his Vuitton perfume. He has it in the limscent. It's probably not the way you pronounce it, but it's Limmensite. And it smells divine. This is his favorite. So we sent this into Edmonton because we were going to drive there, but we got sick. So we had to cancel our trip, unfortunately. So my SA, Mia, and this other girl, Cheryl, real nice, said just mail it in, and then we'll do the refill, and then we'll mail it back to you, and then I'll include a catalog for you and a couple of perfume samples. Alright, so that's what that looks like. And let's see what kind of perfume samples they sent me. Alright, they sent me Rhapsody, Symphony, Dancing Blossom, City of Stars, that must be a very new one. Stellar Times. Alright, that's pretty cool. And Cosmic Cloud. Alright, so I'm looking forward to using some of those and see which ones are the best. And then that will be my next order. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's all you gotta do to be entered in my 500 subscriber Loungefly Disney backpack. Like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and make sure you put your request in the comments. Alright, until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view, and have a great day. Bye guys.